Hey, welcome to the Coin Box. Today we're doing an unboxing of a purchase I made via Facebook. This package is completely wrapped in tape, so I'll skip ahead as I cut through this and get this unpackaged here. And here we go. So now I have to cut through this. Okay, well that took way too long, but here we have them. And let me zoom in here a little bit. There we are. So what we have here is, first up, I'll do this one. So I must say, these are very well packaged. You don't want these moving around in the mail. This is, here we go, a very dark, very toned, commemorative medal. Let me see if I can get this open here. Here we go. So this says Heroica Batalla del 5 de Mayo de 1862. So it's the 100th anniversary of the Battle of Puebla. And the even though it's not a coin, a medal, even though the medal says 1862, it was minted in 1962. So it's the 100th anniversary commemorative medal. So that's pretty cool. I'll set this down here. And we also have a complete set of the 2021 silver Libertads. So this is the 5 ounce. That's the 5 ounce right there. We have the 2 ounce, the 1 ounce, the half ounce, the 1/4 ounce, and the 10th ounce, and finally the 20th ounce. So let me go ahead and take these out of the wrapping so we can get a better look at them. And we'll be right back. Okay, so here we have all 7 coins, as I said, from the 1/20th of an ounce all the way up to 5 ounces. And I must say, as I was unpacking them all, taking them out of the bags, I got a good look at them, and they all seem to be in perfect condition. And we have from the 1, 2, and the 5 have the multiple coat of arms on the back, the current one in the middle, and then past ones on the sides around them. And beginning with the half ounce down to the 1/4 ounce, we have just the current one in the middle. So this is my first time seeing the other sizes. All I had seen was the 1 ounce. So it's really cool to see it go down so small, and of course to see the big 5 ounce coin here. And the smallest one, of course, being 1/20th of an ounce. I don't know how close I can get that before we have focus issues. There we go. And for comparison, I have here a dime. I can set that on top. So the dime, Roosevelt dime, which is not, this one's not silver. I just got it for size comparison. But that is larger than the 1/20th of an ounce. And put them side by side there. Of course, this is in a capsule, and that's another bonus with this purchase. They all came in capsules, and they had little felt packaging between the coin and the capsule so that they wouldn't move around as they were being shipped. So that's an American dime, and we have here one of the smallest current Mexican circulating coinage, the 10-cent 10 centavos coin, which is quite a bit bigger. Well, a little bigger, I would say. And we have the coat of arms. So this is a really, really tiny coin. But I really think that's pretty neat. So there we have it. I'll be sure and get some nice beauty shots of this set later on and share that with you all. But that was the unboxing of the 7-coin 2021 Libertad set. And this one here, the Batalla de Puebla medal that we got as well. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.